Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm going to show you how I made these cute little sparkly bows for St. Patrick's Day, and these are the materials I use: the sparkling felt and the pattern. I'm going to trace it in the back of the felt so it doesn't show when I'm in the front when I'm putting it together. So I'm going to go ahead and just trace it lightly with a pencil, and once you have it all done, make sure to cut it following the line. I decided to grab the two pieces that I'm using and just put them one on top of the other, and using pins secure them so they don't move when I'm cutting them. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting all my pieces, and I already have a couple cut out. So let's go ahead and do this all around, and as you can tell, it is very easy to use this kind of material, but you can also use fake leather. So I'm gonna go ahead and join the ends right here, and then I'm gonna add a piece of glue, a dot of glue in the center. So now that I have that, I'm gonna add another dot of glue, and I'm gonna put this bow on top of the spikes and just join them together in the center with a contrasting piece of the sparkly felt, and add also the pin or the alligator clip, whatever kind of clip you're using, and that way it starts taking shape. As you can tell, this looks really cute, and since it's a St. Patrick's Day, I decided to add this cute little rainbow with the pot of gold at the end, the pot of gold with the rainbow. So that's how this one looks like, and I'm just gonna follow the same procedure to make the other bow. So I'm gonna go ahead and join them all together and then start stacking your pieces. I decided to use two on the bottom with different contrasting colors. That way it will look different and it will add an extra dimension to the bow. So you can always do this. You can cut a bigger piece or just make the center one smaller, which is what I did, and then just stack them up, and the same thing, use a contrasting piece in the center and join them together. just remember just remember before closing it to add your alligator clip so you can close your bow, and carefully here, don't get burned, and then fluff it up. Now I'm gonna add the clovers here, and I'm using two different colors for them, so it's just a small detail. You can always customize these in different ways, but I decided to do it this way. So I hope you find this helpful. I know it is last minute, but hopefully you can make these. It takes really probably like 5-10 minutes because I made two bows, but it's a simple tutorial. That it's a simple craft that you can make, especially now that everybody is at home. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, and stay safe out there, guys. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.